So today I want to show you how to use a QR code generator. So in case you're unaware, a QR code is a two-dimensional barcode that's readable by smartphone. So you can see here, this is a QR code. And if you hold up your phone, if you go into the camera setting, as if you're about to take a picture, you just hold it up to this. You don't even have to hit a button. It'll pop up and say, do you want to open this with your browser? So essentially, it's a fast way to get to a website or to a form. It's really helpful for things right now like contactless sign in, sign out, a way to kind of eliminate paper the best you can in a time where we don't necessarily want to be sharing paper. So let me show you a good example of something that you may want to use a QR code for. So here I've created a Google form for sign up for my webinar for February. So this is something I would want people to complete and then submit. So what I would do is I would copy the link. And on my QR code generator, you have a couple options here. I would go to URL. I would paste in the URL. And there's my QR code. That's it. When you're done, you can save the image. Now it's downloaded. And now I could create a poster that says, interested in any February webinars? Check them out. Register here and put the QR code. So just paste it into that document and somebody could hold up their phone and sign up for my webinar without ever going and sitting on a computer. So they could just use their phone. I think that it's a good tool for when you're trying to do something quickly that's web-based. You do have to keep in mind, not everyone has a smartphone. Most people, it seems, do now, but not everybody does. But this is a good way to kind of do forms and websites, videos to get there quicker. So this is a good tool if you're looking to kind of shorten some time using smartphones. Thanks.